Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will compare the GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL Nugget Ice Maker and the OLIXIS Ice Maker machine. We'll explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which ice maker is right for you. The GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL comes with a hefty price tag of $649, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. In contrast, the OLIXIS Ice Maker machine is priced at just $69, making it a budget-friendly option for those who want a simple ice-making solution. When it comes to ice production, the GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL can produce an impressive 38 pounds of chewable nugget ice in just 24 hours. On the other hand, the OLIXIS Ice Maker machine can produce 26 pounds in the same time frame, which is still quite efficient for casual use. The GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL is equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity and smart features, allowing you to control it remotely and schedule ice production. In contrast, the OLIXIS Ice Maker machine focuses on simplicity, offering basic functionality without any smart features. In conclusion, the GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL offers advanced features and higher ice production capacity, making it suitable for serious ice enthusiasts. Meanwhile, the OLIXIS Ice Maker machine provides a budget-friendly option for casual users. Whichever you choose, both machines have their unique strengths. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.